Greetings, it's Sarah, and I am here featuring the ABC Concept 2 Air Mini, which is right here, and the Teba TKS-19. Both of these are going to be stacked model cook stoves, and I'm going to do a product comparison for you guys today. So both of these are going to be import models. The Teba comes out of Turkey and the Concept comes out of Serbia. Both of them are going to be a good quality on the material, and both of them are going to be able to burn coal. Now, the Teba model is not currently UL listed, so if you have homeowner's insurance, please be sure to check into that to make sure that's not going to cause any problems for you. Over here on the Concept, it is UL listed and there's not any issue with that. Both models, I said, will be able to burn coal. The Teba does have a roller grate that is adjustable, and on the Concept, it's just going to be a fixed cast iron grate. Now, both models are going to have that combustion air from underneath the bottom of the firebox because they both have the ability to burn coal. The Concept here is going to have a stainless steel baking oven on the interior and one oven rack and one level as well inside the Concept. Inside the Teba over here, we don't actually have an oven rack. It's enamel lined, but you set your food directly inside the oven there. Both models are going to have an air wash, which keeps the glass burning nice and clean. Now, I should point out, and if you can see this in the picture here, is that the Teba is going to be a three-sided model, so it has glass on both sides and the front, so it is a panoramic cook stove. This model does exceed hotter temperatures than what I was getting in the Concept stove, so if you're looking to bake hotter items that bake really fast, like pizzas that bake fast, artesian breads, things like that, you may want to lean more towards a Teba model, which has the hotter temperatures. This model does get plenty hot. You can easily get this oven up to 400 degrees, but you're not going to get like that same 750 degree temperature like I've reached over here in the Teba. So something to keep in mind there. The Concept model does offer the ability to connect into outside air. So if you need outside air, then the Concept over here would be a great option. Both of them are really a nice fit here on the space because, you know, the footprint is not really that large. Of course, the Teba over here is a little bit taller. It depends on if you're doing stovetop cooking or not. For me, I'm a little bit shorter over here. I can still easily cook on top of the Teba, but I would say that this Concept would be a more comfortable height for me for stovetop cooking. So again, it really depends on what you're looking to use this stove for. I do want to point out one thing I should talk about that I didn't mention yet was warranties. Both models do have a 1-year warranty on the product. So I hope this overview was helpful. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. The more likes, the more views that I get, the more subscribers I get, the more videos I continue to make for you guys. I really appreciate y'all being here and for your continued support. God bless and have a wonderful day.